Hello, welcome back guys to Spotarya channel here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to download Terabox apps on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to go ahead to your app store, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. Here I use my Wi-Fi, and after, if it is done, just go ahead to this search button at the bottom. I'm gonna tap on it. Now I'm gonna search for the Terabox that I mean. And yeah, as you can see, this is what I mean, the Terabox applications. So if you wanna download it, you just have to simply tap on this cloud icon. It will be a cloud icon if it is before you already downloaded, yeah guys. But if you never downloaded before, it will be a get button like this. So the cloud button, which means re-download. Here I'm gonna tap on it like this. And after, just wait for a minute until the download processing is done. And when it's done, the cloud button before it will change to this open button here guys. So here I'm gonna close my app store, and after here I'm gonna check it. This is the Terabox that I mean. We can set up now. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.